Okay, so the Multiverse Award. This award is presented to those companies who have made the most connections to the credit multiverse as defined by ourselves and Callisto Grand. A multiverse is a series of universes within a business that combine to form a cohesive end-to-end business strategy. The winners this year are a company that invites all their teams to participate in the Callisto Grand certificate qualification, starting a while ago with a cohort of 57, and this year is scheduled to double by the end of, or coming up to double by the end of Q1 2024.
Is it coming out?
The management from the top down create an environment of individual personal development, including participating in our coffee clubs, credit clinics, and of course the Credit Matters conference. Earlier this year, our winners invited myself to both their offices and gave me also gave Callisto the opportunity to deliver a workshop and a 2-hour motivational talk. So the deserved winners this year of the Callisto Grand Multiverse Award are, drum roll please, Coca-Cola Europacific Partners. Come on down. Congratulations. You're very welcome.
Congratulations.
You're very welcome. Okay.
It's okay.
That's okay. Yeah. That's
We're good?
Yes. So thank you very much.
Good, congratulations. So, a few words. Take it away. Yes, you do.
And this is exactly what I wished for last year in Budapest, to have my team here and my colleagues. Well, apparently we're not a very diverse group. We just realized that we are 8 ladies, but at least we represent all of our business units. We operate from Sofia. So we might not be diverse in terms of gender, but we are very diverse in terms of skills, backgrounds, and units we take care of. So thank you very much.
Congratulations, really. Well done. Very well deserved. Very well deserved. So.